Zeplin. First, we had to provide a style guide to the developers along with the assets in which the entire mention was done. What is the font size? What is the width of this image? What is the space between two objects? What is the typography? What is the color code? Earlier, we used to share some of our own style guide with the developers like this. It takes lot of time and effort to create that style guide. But even after this, the developer could not build the exact app. Even after this, they used to get a lot of problems. But through the Zeplin, we can share it very easily with our developers. Developer get all the details of the design and build their app very easily. Zeplin. What is Zeplin? Zeplin is which we export our design. We share that design with our developers, by which developers get all the information of the design when he clicks on any object, so that developer gets all the information related to that element of every screen. What is the size of this icon? What is the width, height? How much space is there between two objects? What is the font size of typography? What is the color code? With the help of Zeplin, they are able to develop their app very easily. Now, how can we do it with Zeplin? We have some screens that we have to share with the developers. So first you have to download Zeplin and you have to create your account on Zeplin. Then you have to sign up and then you have to open your Adobe XD file. Which file you want to share with the developers. So like I select this artboard. After that I have to go on the file. Inside the file I see export and the Zeppelin. As soon as I clicked on the Zeppelin, you see here project and style guide. I have not made any project yet, so I do not have any option here. So first of all, we have to open Zeppelin, which I have to download it in my system. Here I have to create the project which we have to share with the developers. Our project is website, iOS app or Android app. We designed for Android app, so we choose Android and create. Here you can give naming that which app you have. So I keep it as a travel app and I go back to Adobe XD. I selected the artboard file and go to the file menu, export and Zeppelin. So we have a travel app project coming here. We have selected this travel app project and export medium DPI, high DPI. We are choosing it in medium DPI, which is actual size, and change. The artboard that we have selected is being exported. So as you can see in this screen, our screen has exported here. So here we export my all screen. I select all artboards and Zeppelin, travel app project export. So as you can see, all my artboards are uploading. Zeppelin is a free tool, but you can use only a single project here. If you want to use a multiple project, then you will have to buy a plan. Or you can also do that once you have completed your project. After that, you can delete that project and add your new project. All the artboards uploaded on this in this way. And as soon as I double click on this screen, so here I will have all the information on this screen. As I click on verified mobile number, you can see what typeface it has in the right side. Roboto medium, what is the font size. We will consider SP in pixels, 18 pixel and line height is 21 pixel. What color code is. And I want to see spacing between from one object to another object. So I will select one object and hover over another object. So as you can see 12 dp. 12 dp means 12 pixel. If I hover another object, then there is a space 38 dp and here is a space of 101 dp. This gives developer a lot of easy to develop their app. The developers don't have to come to the designers repeatedly. He also gets the code to develop the app here. So we can see our all screen in this way. As I double click on this screen, as I have selected what typeface it is, what is the font size, how much is the line height, what color of this text. If I select the image, how much width of this image, 242 pixel width and 137 height. And there is a space from the left side 16 pixels. So by using it, developers are able to replicate their app like design. Now we have to share this project with our developers So here we can invite. So here you can share with your developers. I have shared myself here and I have access to it. After mailing it to the developer, he can use it. As you can see here, how many people have shared. So here his profile is getting shown in this way. You can share your project with your developers. Whatever the feedback of the developers in this, they can do collaborate from here. If you want to give some feedback to your developers, then you can add on note here. So as we clicked on it, and if I want to share something, then I can post a message. As soon as you post it, so designer get a message. Through Zeplin, designers and developer get collaborates with each others. Whenever you have any feedback, the developer can post these types of notes on each screen. So as you have seen how much time and effort was saved through Zeplin,